couple more concepts to finish lesson 7. When you see a word such as أين كتابكم الجديد, a sentence like that, and you want to read it together, أين بيتكم الجديد. Remember, you're supposed to connect these words together. أين بيتكم الجديد. But there's a sukoon here and there's a sukoon there. Two sukoons meet, that becomes a problem. So instead, this is going to take a dhamma so that it sounds better, vocalic harmony. أين بيتكم الجديد. Same thing here. أرأيتم الإمام. So remember, this is Hamzatul Wasl, just like this was Hamzatul Wasl, which is not pronounced in the middle of his speech. So we have two sukoons. أرأيتم الإمام is going to be أرأيتم الإمام. Okay. أسألتم ابنه. Hamzatul Wasl, it's not pronounced if you connect it. أسألتم ابنه, you have to make this a dhamma. أسألتم ابنه. أسألتم ابنه. Okay, that's one point that needs to be taught. Second one is abshir. Abshir, which means don't worry. Rejoice. Rejoice at good news. Inshallah, right? So when somebody looks like, it seems like they're a bit worried, and you want to cheer them up, you want to tell them, you know, that don't worry, it's going to be okay, right? Things are going to be good, inshallah. You say abshir. Abshir. This is one way of saying that. Abshir. Okay? Don't worry, rejoice at good news. Abshir. The last concept, fractions. Fractions, right? So we did ordinal numbers, we did regular numbers, now we're doing fractions. A half, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and a tenth. So nisfun, nisf is a half, nisfun. Thuluth, thuluth is a third. Ruba, ruba is a fourth. Khums, fifth. Sudus, sixth. Suba is seventh. Thumn, thumn, or sometimes you may see a dhamma, thumun. Okay, thum and thumun is an eighth. Tusr, tusr, a ninth, and ushr is a tenth. Ushr is a tenth. Okay, so those are basically the fractions, and alhamdulillah we've completed the concepts of lesson 7.